Have you ever seen an ant explode? I have, and it's not a pretty sight. In fact, there are several species of ants that can and will explode if they feel their nest is in danger. And it's all because of a chemical they have in their bodies called formic acid. Formic acid is what gives the ants their characteristic smell, but it's also what makes them so explosive. See, formic acid is a very powerful acid. It's actually stronger than vinegar, which is pretty strong stuff, but the acid doesn't do anything on its own. It has to be released in order to have an effect. The acid also kills the ants that are close enough to it, even if they're on the same team. It's a horrible way to go, but it's all in the name of protecting their home. This acid is so powerful that it can burn through almost anything, including rock, soil, and even metal. So next time you're outside, be careful. You never know what you might encounter. And it's this explosion of acid that can kill intruders and protect the nest. And these ants can control the release of this acid to a terrifying degree. If an ant feels threatened, it will basically sacrifice itself by rupturing its abdomen and releasing the formic acid inside of it. But why would an ant feel the need to protect its nest so fiercely? Well, it's because ants are social insects. They live in colonies with other ants, and they all work together to collect food and take care of their young. The colony is like their home, and they'll do whatever it takes to protect it. This includes giving up their own life. When an ant explodes, it's not just the intruder that gets burned. There are other insects that do similar things. For example, termites release a chemical called termitol when they feel threatened. This chemical is so powerful that it can dissolve human skin. But the termites don't do it on purpose. They just happen to leave it behind as a byproduct of their metabolism. Same thing with bombardier beetles. They can spray a chemical from their abdomen that's hot enough to burn through flesh. But it's not intentional. It's just a defense mechanism to keep predators away. These are just a few examples of the many insects that can and will burn you alive. Do you know any obscure nature facts? Share them below. And thanks for watching.